Well, I can't tell you, but there's some topical things. All I'm going to say is we was robbed by the pie-eaters, and if you're a pie-eater listening, you'll know what I'm talking about. Not only was it a knock-on, you was also in touch before you put the ball down. So to me, it's 16 all. Anyway, let's get back on track. We also have the rock and roll show, Ian Cullen's rock and roll special. That's a brilliant show if you're into rock and roll. Then we have Search, yes, we have the Golden Girls from Search, Noreen and Norma, or no girls, or no and a yes girl. So, like I say, if you've enjoyed what you've listened to, throw us a like on our Facebook page. Do us a massive favour on the streets of Salford tonight. Make sure you take care. And once again, everyone who voted for us, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. It really does mean we can go to another planet now. Yes, we will take on any station in any charts. And you know what? Because we're Salford, there'll only be one winner. Keep the faith.
I said hello unnoticed. You said goodbye too soon. Breezing through the clientele, spinning yarns that were so lyrical. I really must confess right here, the attraction was purely physical. I took all those habits of yours that in the beginning were hard to accept. Your fashion sense, beard's lip prints I put down to experience. The big bosom lady with a Dutch accent who tried to change my point of view. Her ad-lib lines were well rehearsed, but my heart cried out for you. You're in my heart, you're in my soul. You'll be my breath should I grow old. You are my lover, you're my best friend. You're in my soul. My love for you is immeasurable, my respect for you immense. You're ageless, timeless, lace and fineness, your beauty and elegance. You're a rhapsody, a comedy, you're a symphony and a play. You're every love song ever written, but honey, what do you see in me? You're in my heart, you're in my soul. You'll be my breath should I grow old. You are my lover, you're my best friend. You're in my soul. You're an essay in glamour, please pardon the grammar, but you're every schoolboy's dream. You're Celtic United, but baby, I've decided you're the best team I've ever seen. And there have been many affairs, and many times I've thought to leave, but I bite my lip and turn around, 'cause you're the warmest thing I've ever found.